Hi, I'm John Lowe, the training director here at UC Irvine's Department of Psychiatry and Human Behavior.
Hi everybody, I'm Dr. Reza Farokpeh, been here at UCI since 2018. I'm the Associate Residency Director.
Hi, I'm Dr. Cameron Carter. I am the chair of the Department of Psychiatry and Human Behavior at UC Irvine.
Hi, I'm Dina Perky.
And I'm Eric Kramer, and we're your fourth-year chief residents at UCI.
I'm Peter. I'm one of the third-year residents here at UC Irvine.
Hi, my name's Nicole. I'm a second-year resident at UCI.
Hi, I'm Kathleen. I'm a PGY2 at UC Irvine.
My name is Austin Buck. I'm a PGY1 resident here at University of California Irvine Psychiatry Residency.
Hey, I'm Brittany. I'm one of the interns.
Hey, I'm David. I'm also one of the interns.
From our amazing faculty, our awesome residents, and the best location.
We're so excited to introduce you to everything UCI has to offer.
One of the things that really stood out to me when I was looking for a residency program was just how close-knit and how tight the friendships were here.
And one of my favorite things about UCI is that it's in Orange County because I'm from here, but it's honestly so much greater than just the location. I really feel like the community here is so amazing. I have a true friend in each and every one of my colleagues, including both my co-residents and my attendings.
I did my MD PhD here, and I chose to stay at UCI because I think UCI Psych really values individuality. They like you to be who you are and pursue the interests that you have. For example, I'm very into research, and they've allowed me to work research into my clinical schedule.
UCI and Orange County in general has always been my home, but not just because my family's here, but I've known the staff, I've known the residents since even I was a medical student, and even as a medical student, they've always been there, hearing like when we're struggling and seeing when each other struggle, like through the point where overnight shifts, you see people come in off shift to come help us out.
My favorite thing about the program is how supported I feel from someone who moved from out of state. You know, I got pretty nervous about moving to a new state, not knowing too many people, but I feel very supported here. We're such a family. All the residents are very cohesive and we do a lot of fun stuff together.
We work really hard, but we're also there to help each other. We're always asking what we can do to help each other more. We're there when things get really hard, and I feel like ultimately that's what keeps me going in this residency. It's what makes me look forward to working every day, is my amazing class and the amazing attendings we get to work with.
The programs include 2 inpatient units, one of which is a med psych unit. The other one is an acute psychiatric unit. And then we also have an adolescent inpatient unit where the PGY2s actually spend 2 months to get their child experience.
One of the reasons why you want to come to train at UC Irvine is really the people. We work with a great patient population, very diverse from different socioeconomic backgrounds. And I think the really highlight, I would say, of our program compared to other residency programs is that you get the gamut in one place. It's not like you're siloed to go to one location for a more specific patient population and another hospital for a different one. We treat everybody sort of equally here at UCI, whether you have Medicaid or Medicare or some other insurance. You're in the same clinic.
What I can tell you about UCI that I am most proud of, amongst a number of things, is the quality of the residents that we recruit and have as part of our community. And it's just such a privilege and an honor to be able to be part of their journey and help hopefully mentor them, develop relationships with them both during their time in residency and beyond.
We have a wonderful new outpatient clinic in this lovely space at Chapman Avenue. And it's state-of-the-art, well lighted, and the patients are really happy coming to this clinic. Parking is really easy, and I think our patients deserve that.
We are in a time of growth. We're developing new clinical programs and new training opportunities. In the past year, we've started 3 new specialty programs, including an early psychosis coordinated specialty care program, a geriatric psychiatry program, and a reproductive psychiatry program.
There's great ethnic diversity, wonderful restaurants nearby, but getting back to the people here, it's the people we treat, but also the people you get to work with here at UCI.
In the coming year, we'll also be launching our interventional psychiatry program. And each of these new programs will create new opportunities for clinical training and for research in the department. In addition to new clinical programs, we've also created research tracks for both our child and adolescent and adult psychiatry programs. We're excited that you are interested in our program and look forward to meeting you through the process.